Hello and welcome back to another one. Now, first things first, I do want to say a happy new year to everybody. Hopefully everyone's had a really nice New Year's Eve and a nice New Year's Day. As you have seen, I haven't been posting in the last few weeks. I mean, there's just been so much going on with the run up to Christmas and just everything happening. I just took a little bit of a break from doing some editing. So some of these videos are from a good few weeks ago. This one that we are watching now, this is I think beginning of December, I believe. I might be wrong, but yeah, hopefully everyone's doing well. Hopefully everyone had a nice New Year's, and hopefully this audio's okay. So I'm not going to bore you with doing a voiceover for the whole entirety of this video. Don't worry, you won't have to listen to this voice the whole time. I'll just give a little insight. Obviously, this is Di just doing rear quarters, and I did ask him, I said, if I give you a camera, can you just film the entirety of you doing some quarters, please? So there'll be a few camera angle changes, and as you'll see here. Um, and yeah, this is just him taking the quarters off, taking the inner tubs out, taking the bumper bracket off, and then just trying to see what is actually rusted, what is savable, what needs patching, and then building it all back up again. Um, yeah, it's really interesting. I obviously don't get to see Di do this. I see little bits and bobs, but I never actually get to see it. So it's been actually quite interesting for me to watch his back while editing it. It is actually quite interesting for me as well. And yeah, it's just nice to see something come in sort of rusty and then leave sort of pristine and back to how it should be again. But I'm going to leave you to watch some of this. There'll be a little bit of music playing just so it's not complete and utter silence. Hopefully you are going to enjoy the time lapse. It's just something I thought would be quite fun. So please let me know down in the comments whether you actually enjoyed this and whether it's something you'd like to see a little bit more often, whether it's Di or me or John or whatever. We'll see what we can do. But I'll leave you to it for a little bit. Enjoy this little bit of footage and I'll speak to you in a bit. Well, I thought I'd just jump in here. This is Di putting the quarter panel on, and I'm actually inside the van, and I push the panel out just to make it fit just that little bit snugger, and then Di goes across. You've just seen I left there actually, but he just goes across, does a couple of little tack welds, and then moves to another bit, not to put too much heat into the panel and warp it. So you'll see in a second, he'll sort of, there you go, doing a little bit, moving along, then move to another side of the panel and then come back. And then after that, he'll go across, grind all the welds flat, get a little finger grinder in there and just make it all nice and flat and pretty, basically. So I just thought I'd jump in here and say that little bit. And there we go. So that is pretty much everything. As you've just seen, just gone across and just put the lights in, made sure they work. I'm pretty sure this van had to go for an MOT afterwards. And then yeah, just put everything back inside the van again and just, yeah, there it is, all done. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, please drop a comment down below, because at least that way I'll know whether you like this sort of thing or not. But I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the ongoing support. And as always, take it easy.